guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. Today working on my new necklaces, and I thought I will quickly film how I make this little component. So you can use it as a earrings for sure, or you can jazz it with more beads if you want, and you can use it with frames that you like. So this little component I will show how I make today. So I use pretty thin wire for that, because I use you can use 20 gauge, 19 gauge if you have. And I start making the new one, so that's what we will need. First of all, I want you to find something. It could be needles or anything metal, but it should be different sizes. I like different sizes for that. So we have here, if you see, I have two, it's actually crochet hooks. So I have those basically the same size. Then I have this one, it's thinner size a little bit, and this one is a little bit thicker. I'm pretty sure it could be all same, but I just like a little bit variation here, thickness and for the little texture maybe. So that's what I will use today, and I use 19 gauge wire, copper. So let me remove this because I started, or I can push it on the side so I can show you how I make that. So we will need piece of wire. Ignore this because it needs to be hammered also. So we will start. I'll push this on the side. Okay, so we will start with a little tail here. We go around the first, and I made 3 wraps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we hugging 2 together, these thick ones. Then we hugging 3. Oops, 3. And then we go all the way to the top. And then we go again 3, 2, and 1. When you go back to 1, let's make 5 around that one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 2 in the beginning, all these 5, and we go back to the same thing. Together 2, together 3, together all 4, back 3, 2, and on 1 we want to have 3, 2, 3. That's it. That will be the one, this element. So let me quickly, I think I did, yeah, so I did 3. Okay, I will quickly hammer. That's why I use metal, because I will hammer with my rubber mallet directly on the wire. So let me quickly hammer. So you need a few taps, and you can see, you can see that this is hammered. You can squish them together and remove from your metal wires. So we will have 2 components here. So it's look like this, right? I have 1 already prepared, 2 I cut. So the reason why we did 3, because it's easier will be for you. You need 2 of those loops here and 2 at the end. Why I put 5 here? See, I did mistake. So Did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 5 here too. Ideally, when you do this, you do 3, then 4, and these 3, because we need a 2 and 2 here. I got too excited and I made 5. I think I did 5, yeah. But it's okay, it's okay. Even Tanya can make mistakes. So you hammer. Then I like to squish a little bit here. Just a little bit. The front one. These two. And we need 24 gauge. This is 24. We go inside. Can first maybe make it straight line. Go all the way. And we bend. And oh, this one, no, this also 5. So yeah, it should be 2 and 2. So, and you should go between 2. Mine have a 5. It's okay. Still will work. So here we are having that. If you wanted to make it a little bit like this, you can. So here we are having this little component. I like to push it a little bit more so it will be less nicely symmetrical. Okay, and now, so we have this. We need our round nose pliers. I don't know where I put it. Let's take this one. So now we make one complete loop because we want to put it something inside there later. So we have this, and we go all the way to the top and just wrap it here. We do the same here. You can do it twice if you want to. And we go all the way to the top here. There we go. So now with this, we go to the top. And wire wrap around this. Make sure you cut right in the middle here, so you can push your wire inside in the loop. Okay. My hands today so slippery from the cream. I put lotion. Okay, and then this side goes here. And we cut also, and ta-da, we have a component. Make sure you tight all those wires. Okay, here you go. And okay, so we have this, and we have our little component. So you can also, if you wanted to be together more, you can push this side, make it more like cross looking. That's up to you. but I really like it. I like that you can then put that as a component for your like a focal point, you know, like a, so I use 2 wires here, wire wrapped, left a little space here, put my component, and I use leftover pieces of wire. I use my torch, then I hammer it. One shorter, one leg longer. Use my African turquoise here, and I really like it. I hope you guys will create something like that. You know, you can also use this as earrings. Maybe use thinner wire then. It's not heavy. It's not heavy. But you still can use thinner wire for that and hammer it. It will keep the shape for sure. You can also add that to any of the shape. Don't be afraid to wire wrap on top. Like I stitched it to my frame. Before I was always scared to attach with just simple wires if I wanted to. I thought it's not stable. It is. It's pretty stable. I see pieces, people wearing my pieces, and they coming back years later and it's still there. So nothing will go away. Like it's you wire wrap twice with 24 gauge, let's say, it's pretty strong. So that's one of the ideas for today, guys. I hope you're gonna like it, and thank you for all the hearts you sent. It was so sweet. I have a lot of tons and tons of hearts. Thank you. And I will see you next Tuesday with something again unique. So I hope I can motivate you to pick up your wire wrap amazing, amazing, amazing jewelry. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next Tuesday. I will see you there. Thank you. Thank you.